These are the shortbread cookies we make when we want clean edges and a buttery tender bite. And Marco's already enjoying one. Our secret is cornstarch in the dry ingredients. That's what makes them melt without losing shape. And here's another detail that matters. We use both powdered and granulated sugar. Powdered keeps the shortbread tender. Granulated gives structure so the edges stay clean. Okay, so this part is more important than it looks. Add the dry ingredients in 2 additions. I know it feels unnecessary, but the first one lets the butter coat the flour. And that's what keeps these cookies tender. The second one's just to bring it together. Stop while it still looks crumbly and do the pinch test. If it holds, you're good. Right here, it still looks crumbly and that's completely fine. Just take your time. As you gently press it, the warmth from your hands will start bringing everything together. And once it holds, shape it into a rough disc. Now, into the fridge. This rest is what makes the dough behave so nicely later. After chilling, it rolls smoothly and holds its shape. I like to roll it slightly thicker on purpose. That's what keeps the shortbread cookies tender after baking. You can re-roll the scraps, but just handle the dough gently. Before baking, the cut cookies go back in the fridge briefly. That's what locks in the clean edges. They're gonna puff up a bit at first, but as they bake, they settle back down. And that's exactly what you want. I like to melt the chocolate with a little oil so it doesn't set rock hard. From here, it's just dipping and letting them set. And before the chocolate sets, sprinkle a little flaky salt. It makes everything pop. These are the most delicious, buttery, tender shortbread cookies with clean edges and soft chocolate on top. Simple, classic, and honestly, it's so hard to stop eating them. Make them and you'll see why Marco looks that happy.